Before starting this video, let me tell you the rules of this video so that you can play while watching the video. First, understand how you can play it. Questions will be asked here. And below it, you will get 4 options out of which one option is correct, and you have to tell which option it is. And at the top you will get a timer. You have to answer before the time runs out. If you answer after the time is over, it will not be counted. Apart from these 3 things, you do not have to pay attention to any buttons and keep counting honestly that how many of you got correct, and after that you have to tell in the comment box. So it's too late, now let's start the video. Which is the first map of Stumble Guys? Options: A. Lava Rush, B. Spin Go Round, C. Pivot Push, and D. Honey Drop. B. Spin Go Round is the correct answer. How many languages are in Stumble Guys right now? Options: A. 9, B. 5, C. 10, and D. 1. C. 10 is the correct answer. How many servers does Stumble Guys have right now? Options: A. 3, B. 5, C. 4, and D. 8. B. 5 is the correct answer. How long does Hug Emote works? Options: A. 3 seconds, B. 1.7 seconds, C. 5 seconds, and D. 2.5 seconds. B. 1.7 seconds is the correct answer. When was Stumble Guys released? Options: A. 6/15/2018, B. 9/24/2020, C. 9/19/2020, and D. 5/11/2021. B. 9/24/2020 is the correct answer. How many layers are there in Honey Drop map? Options: A. 4, B. 5, C. 3, and D. 6. A. 4 is correct answer. How many boxes are there between the over and under map? Options: A. 9, B. 10, C. 8, and D. 7. A. 9 is correct answer. How many gems are required to get a Stumble Pass? Options: A. 1000, B. 880, C. 800, and D. 700. C. 800 is correct answer. What is the name of this map? Options: A. Humble Stumble, B. None of these, C. Floor Flip, and D. Cannon Climb. C. Floor Flip is correct answer. How many downloads does Stumble Guys have now? Options: A. 10 million, B. 1 million, C. 100 million plus, and D. 10 million plus. D. 10 million plus is correct answer. Here is my score. You must tell your score in the comment. Let's see how much you can score. If you like this video and want to see part 2, then write in comment, "We want part 2. Let's see how many people like to watch part 2 of this. If you have any such quiz questions, then you can tell us on Instagram or Discord server with answers. I will definitely see it.
Sure.